Welcome to Woodcut Tech, where technology meets the art of woodworking. Here you'll discover modern woodcutting techniques and useful tips to upgrade your workshop. Let's kick off a creative journey with precise and refined cut. From the ashes of post-war Britain rose the Marcanel 10 DCR. Not merely a saw bench, but a phoenix reborn for the timber industry. With blades sharp as Excalibur's sword, it sliced through the hardest logs like parchment in a single stroke. Its stainless steel frame wrote symphonies of resilience with every cut. This engineering masterpiece forced the world to kneel, ultimate proof of Britain's indomitable spirit. The Chipmax 484 VR, the undisputed king of mobile wood chippers. Mounted on a heavy-duty Volvo chassis, this beast devours 140 tons of wood per hour, equivalent to clearing 1 hectare of pine forest in just 2 hours. Its 6-wheel all-wheel drive system grips terrain like mountain boots, conquering 1-meter-deep swamps and 45-degree slopes with ease. Armed with 15-centimeter tungsten steel blades, nothing can stop its relentless shredding. This isn't just equipment, it's the Ferrari of mobile wood chippers. This machine is the embodiment of brutal destruction. Each terrifying rotation of its steel blade screams like a demon's roar, shredding the hardest logs into sawdust in the blink of an eye. Just 0.5 seconds of distraction, and you could pay with your life. This isn't your ordinary wood chipper. It's the Reaper's machine that demands absolute respect. Witness the power. This tractor-mounted log splitter is an absolute beast of the forests. With its ultra-durable steel cone blade, it tears through 20-inch logs as easily as you'd bite into a hot dog. Just 2 RPM, but each split packs earth-shaking power. This is mechanical wizardry crafted by skilled hands, simple yet outperforming all standards. Red hot, piping hot like glowing coals, you've got to see its raw power to believe it.
On si sám přidává, vidíš?
This old-school wood splitter still crushes 16-inch logs like it's stuck in 1985. No touchscreen, no sensors, just raw steel and a deep grudge against firewood. It screams, it cracks, and the wood splits like it's being punished. No high-tech nonsense, just muscle, rust, and pure stubbornness. Out here, fire needs wood. and the wood doesn't get to choose how it dies. Here is our 22-ton horizontal log splitter, a powerhouse of strength and efficiency for heavy-duty woodwork. Equipped with a hydraulic log lifter and knife lift, it minimizes effort while maximizing productivity. Built to split even the toughest logs with ease, it's the perfect partner for demanding professionals. Robust, reliable, and user-friendly, experience pure performance. This wood splitter is a true artist of wood grain. With its super sharp, heat-treated steel wedge blade, it splits even the most twisted wood grain like butter, smooth to the millimeter. The 20mm solid steel frame design absorbs shock, ensuring absolute safety even when operating continuously for 8 hours. Capacity of 5 tons per hour, 10 times that of a manual axe. This is not just a machine, but a powerful assistant that turns wood splitting from a chore into a joy. No hydraulics needed, just leverage, rusted steel, and 2 guys who don't flinch at splinters. This old-school mechanical splitter packs just 15 pounds of force, but it tears through eucalyptus like it's butter. Aussie hardwood, mulched in seconds flat. While the 21-inch chipper's still warming up, these two are already done and dusted. This isn't just wood splitting, this is muscle-powered craftsmanship. Hold on to your hats. This beast means business. The Maxim 1050 HR, powered by a 362 horsepower heart, devours massive logs in the blink of an eye. Roaring like a predator, it joins forces with the Volvo FM truck and Palfinger Epsilon crane to strike with thunderous might. No mercy, no hesitation, only destruction. Hats off to AMD Construct for crafting this mechanical masterpiece. The LT15 boasts impressive power, effortlessly slicing through massive 70 centimeters diameter logs while operating with the finesse of a gentle giant. Every challenge is handled with precision, transforming raw timber into flawless lumber. It's a true testament to how technology elevates the art of woodworking. Speed and strength come together in this kindling machine, slicing through logs with incredible force, effortlessly like a knife through warm butter. It's the pinnacle of efficiency, transforming a once time-consuming task into a lightning-fast, precise, and highly effective process. Imagine unmatched power and efficiency. That's the TigerCat 2000 series shear, a game changer for North Florida's timber industry. Mounted on the robust 720E feller buncher, it not only redefines productivity, but also optimizes every workflow. Say goodbye to costly maintenance and hello to fuel savings and lower operating costs, even in the toughest conditions. The TigerCat X82 2D moves swiftly through the dense forest, operating with incredible power and precision. In just the blink of an eye, its sharp blades touch the tree trunk, producing a crisp crack sound. Instantly, the trunk splits cleanly in half, showcasing the machine's impressive performance and efficiency. A truly remarkable display of forestry and wood processing capabilities. The Muse Max WT11 paired with the MAN TGS 33.56 6x6 truck showcases its exceptional power. At an astonishing speed, branches and wood scraps are devoured and instantly transformed into fine sawdust. With impressive efficiency and robust performance, this machine is a game changer in the wood processing industry. A kinetic log splitter is the ideal solution for anyone looking to enhance efficiency in wood processing. Designed for speed, this home-built version can effortlessly handle logs up to 3 feet long, making splitting tasks quicker and more efficient. Its standout feature is its exceptional speed, significantly faster than traditional hydraulic splitters, saving both time and effort. Using a hydraulic log splitter to split dried oak and beech isn't just a task, it's a testament to the power of modern wood processing technology. These hardwoods, known for their toughness and durability, pose a significant challenge when split manually. Yet, under the immense pressure of the hydraulic splitter, the dense grain gives way effortlessly. A sharp crack echoes through the air as the wood splits cleanly in two, requiring almost no effort. It's a mesmerizing display of sheer power and efficiency. Transplanting large trees was once a daunting challenge, but with modern machinery, it has become simple and efficient. Massive, deeply rooted trees that seemed impossible to move can now be lifted and relocated with ease. A true testament to the power of forestry technology. With the Dennis Simpf DAF 150D attachment, the Bobcat T650 transforms into a powerful land-clearing machine, ready to tackle even the toughest terrains. Its impressive mulching capabilities make it perfect for removing dense vegetation, preparing construction sites, maintaining trails, and managing large estates with ease. A true powerhouse for heavy-duty tasks. Truck unloading has never been this fast and efficient. This machine is designed for maximum speed, lifting entire loads in a single motion, significantly reducing time and effort. Its standout feature is the flexible gripper system, offering multiple customization options to securely handle various types of cargo. The perfect blend of power, speed, and versatility, an essential solution for modern logistics. The massive 1.2-meter diameter log stands tall, seemingly an impenetrable challenge. But then, the steel MS-881 chainsaw roars to life, its razor-sharp blade tearing through the dense wood with effortless precision and raw power. Each cut is clean, smooth, and decisive, leaving behind perfectly split sections as if sliced by an invisible force. Its strength and performance are nothing short of breathtaking. The three men worked in perfect sync, operating the machine with impressive speed. Massive logs, up to 50 inches wide, were swiftly split and neatly sorted. The engine roared, the saw blades spun rapidly, and the scent of fresh wood filled the air. They moved with precision, without a moment's delay, a display of strength, skill, and speed. Processing 300 cubic meters of beechwood annually is an enormous task, enough to challenge even the strongest among us. But when he invented his log splitter, it was like planting a seed that grew into a mighty oak of efficiency and innovation. Homemade firewood processing machines like this not only reduce labor, but also usher in a new era where small-scale operations can achieve remarkable productivity. thank you for being part of Woodcut Tech. We hope our content has provided you with valuable knowledge and creative inspiration. Stay tuned to discover more unique woodworking techniques. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss our latest videos. See you next time.